Now, I believe you would like to understand what is the support that you're going to gain from me by paying this fee and joining the program. Before that, to introduce myself, my name is Arun. I'm in the travel industry since 2007 and I started my own brand in 2013 named Trip Explore, and I'm still functioning this business successfully. Then you may wonder, why the hell am I teaching this to you if I am so successful in my business journey, right? Let me explain this to you. Even today, I have a limited client base and my clients also refer their friends to me, and I'm slowly and steadily growing in my business and very happy about it. But there are other travelers traveling with different travel partners. There are people traveling from different cities to different cities, and their market is so huge. And eventually, I don't earn out of these travelers anyways, right? So rather, by me helping you to teach, guide, and support you to start and run this business and help you get into the entrepreneurial journey, you are going to earn from these customers who get introduced to you through your own contact list and through your own networking. And eventually, I am anyways earning by teaching you this business for a fee. I believe that's a win-win situation for both of us. I hope you agree. So that is the only reason why I am teaching you this business. Hope I made myself very clear on why I am teaching you about this business. And think again, no office space, no rental, no electricity bills, no staff salaries, no pre-purchase of stocks. You just have to sit, post my contents, and with lead generations, give quotations, and on confirmation, earn huge profits. This is the best side income opportunity that you could look up for, or you can even function this as a mainstream business just like me, as that's the only business I operate.